Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video we are going to look at Edit Feature 9 for the Google Docs series, Find and Replace. With that being said, let's begin. To access Edit Feature number 9, I'm going to click on Edit and then go down to Find and Replace. When I click on Find and Replace, this menu appears. So, when I want to find a word in a Google Doc, all I have to do is type it into the Find section. As can be seen on the screen, it then highlights the first instance of that word. If there's more than one instance of that word, it will show the number of times that word appears. It might be very faint depending on your screen, but it will be in the Find section. I can then choose to replace the word with another word by typing in another option. From there, I can either replace the first word that has been found, I can replace all the words that match what I have found in the document, or if I want to replace just one word within the document and it's not the first instance of it, I can click on Next to get to the next word within that series that is the exact same type. So, to demonstrate what happens when I replace all instances of hello with hi, I'm going to click on the button now. So as can be seen, all of the words in my Google Doc that were originally hello have been changed to hi. And as a result, this tool can be used to very effectively change words within a Google Doc so that you do not have to go back and search for every single instance of that word being used. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.